Thank you, Joan, and thanks to everyone listening. It's always exciting to discuss the capabilities and challenges of AI technologies like LLMs. Remember, the journey of learning about AI doesn't stop here. There's always more to explore and understand. We'll be back with more topics on AI Talks. Take care and see you in the next episode.
That wraps up our episode perfectly. Take care, everyone, and see you next time on AI Talks.
Sounds great. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you next time.
See you then.
Looking forward to it.
Me too.
That's great to hear.
Absolutely.
I'm glad we're on the same page.
Definitely. It's great working together.
It really is. I enjoy our conversations.
It's always interesting to dive into these topics with you.
I feel the same way. It's always enriching to explore new ideas together.
You have reached the message cap for GPT-4. Please try again later.
You have reached the message cap for GPT-4. Please try again later.
You have reached the message cap for GPT-4. Please try again later.
You have reached the message cap for GPT-4. Please try again later.